In the heart of the glittering grove, where the trees shimmered with rainbow leaves and flowers whispered secrets to bees, lived a clever and kind fairy named Loretto. She wasn't just any fairy. Loretto was known far and wide for her dazzling yellow sparkling forted gown that glowed like sunshine and stars combined. But more than her beauty, Loretto was famous for solving the toughest mysteries using both creative thinking and critical thinking. The problem begins. One morning, as Loretto floated out of her sunflower bed, she noticed something strange. The ever-changing forest, which used to shift colors gently with the seasons, had gone completely still. "That's odd," she said, fluttering her wings. "The trees aren't changing, the riddling roses are silent, and even the whispering winds have stopped. Something is wrong." Loretto twirled once in her sparkling gown and decided, today, she would solve the mystery of the frozen forest. Tree clue number 1, the colorless tree. First, she visited Professor Pine, a tree who always wore a monocle made of ice and told stories from 100 years ago. "Professor Pine," said Loretto sweetly, "have you noticed anything unusual?" Professor Pine shook his bark. "Yes. My leaves didn't turn gold this morning like they always do on first fall day." Loretto observed the tree carefully. She asked herself, what do the trees need to change colors? Then she used her creativity. What if something invisible is blocking the change? She tapped her wand on the ground and created color goggles, sparkly glasses that let her see magic energy. She put them on and gasped. The color magic is stuck, like it's caught in a web. Spiderweb. Clue number 2, the sticky web. Loretto fluttered higher and flew deeper into the forest where the colors had dimmed most. There, she saw a giant glowing web made of frozen thoughts, a rare magical mess. Frozen thoughts only appear when someone overthinks a problem and doesn't take a break, Loretto whispered. Just then, a voice cried, "I didn't mean to." From behind a vine rolled out a young gnome named Nico, wearing mismatched boots and a worried face. "I tried to design the perfect machine to help the forest change faster," he said. "But I kept changing my plans and overthinking an." Loretto nodded kindly. Sometimes, when we think too much and forget to feel, our minds get tangled. That's when we need to pause and look at the problem from a new angle. Step 1. Critical thinking. She asked Nico, "What exactly were you trying to fix? What tools did you use? Did the forest ask for help or did you assume it needed it?" Nico blinked. "Oh. I just wanted it to be faster. But maybe it didn't need fixing after all." Please subscribe. Bye.